Meghalaya Cabinet on Monday took a series of key decisions, including the announcement of the election schedule for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, the approval for setting up of Police Accountability Commission, the clearance of revised estimates for major sports infrastructure projects, and a nod to the Meghalaya Floodplain Zoning Bill 2026. Briefing reporters after the meeting, Cabinet Minister Wailat Miki Shilla informed that elections to the Ghadc will be held on the 10th of April 2026. Polling will take place on the same day, while counting of votes has been scheduled for the 14th of April. He said the Gazette notification will be issued on the 9th of March 2026. The last date for filing nominations has been fixed for the 16th of March, with scrutiny of nominations to be conducted on the same day after 3 p.m. The final date for the withdrawal of candidature is the 17th of March 2026, and the final list of valid nominations along with allotment of symbols will be completed and published by the 18th of March 2026.
So firstly, the Cabinet has approved to place the bill named Meghalaya Floodplain Zoning Bill 2026. Secondly, proposal for establishing the Police Accountability Commission as per Section 73 of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. Third is the amendment of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. Fifth is the schedule for the conduct of election to the Ghadc 2026. Fifth is approval for the revised cost estimate for below mentioned sport infrastructure for 39 national games. A. Aquatic and Tennis Complex Sauli. B. Hostel Block Sauli. C. Sunny Hills Tura. D. Patagon Nemengja Sangma Athletic Stadium Tura. 6 is transfer of reorganization cell to Home Political Department. And 7 is consideration of the report of the Export Committee on the State Reservation Policy Meghalaya. So these were the agenda which got approved today in the Cabinet. Schedule of the MDC election, so it's like this. The date for calling the constituent to elect their representative under Rule 124(2), it's 9th of March 2026. Next is last date for filing of nomination is 16 March 2026 before 3 p.m. Date of scrutiny of nomination paper, it is on the same day, that is 16 March 2026 after 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of the nomination paper will be on 17 March 2026 till 3 p.m. Date of finalization and publication of valid nomination and allotment of symbols will be on 18 March 2026, and date of poll will be on 10 of April 2026 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and date of counting will be on 14 of April 2026. These are the schedule.
The Cabinet also approved the establishment of the Police Accountability Commission as mandated under the Meghalaya Police Act. The commission will be headed by retired IAS officer Peter Ingti as chairman, with member V.R. Aim, retired IAS officer. In view of the forthcoming National Games of India to be hosted by Meghalaya, the Cabinet approved the revised estimates for key sports infrastructure projects, including the aquatic and tennis complex at Sauli, the hostel block at Sauli, the Sunny Hills facility in Tura, and the Partogan Nengminja Sangma Athletic Stadium. Additionally, the Cabinet approved the Meghalaya Floodplain Zoning Bill 2026, aimed at regulating activities in flood-prone areas and strengthening disaster preparedness in the state.
Because the police, according to the Meghalaya Police Act 2010, we need to have a accountability commission. So under this commission, we have appointed Shri Peter Ingti, IAS retired, as chairman of this committee, and Srimati V.R. Aim, retired IAS, which retired as secretary in the government of Meghalaya, as member of this committee. Regarding sport, because we have taken the decision that whatever estimate which increase, the revised estimate which increase above 25%, so it has to be got approved from the cabinet. So that's why we brought this under the cabinet for approval.
So how much it will be now?
It has crossed the amount of 25%, because all this, like I already mentioned, the aquatic and tennis complex, because we have to add additional practice pool, diving pool, and along with the sitting arrangement based on the request from the IOA when they come for inspection. That's why the amount will increase, and so with the other projects.
So this will from the state fund, or will be asking?
From the state fund, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.